Hi, my name is Peter Bruninger. I'm here with Amy from
Axiom Audio.
Hi, Amy. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Good. Tell me a little bit about Axiom Audio.
Well, Axiom is apparently one of Canada's best kept secrets. We've been in business for 31 years, manufacturing loudspeakers and electronics. Electronics are a recent development for us. We're part of the Canadian School of Sound, so we are known for our research. We have our own anechoic chamber, and we're really into double-blind listening tests and
that's very good.
Scientific research to prove out a point rather than just adding things to a speaker because that's what the market demands. So.
What price point do your products cover?
We start probably around $320 is our least expensive speaker, and it goes right up to our new flagship model, which is the LFR 1100.
And that's right here in front of us?
Yes, we're just launching it at the show. It's going to be available in June, and this pair retails for $37.50.
Tell me a little bit about the technology.
Absolutely.
It's a 3 or 4 way design?
This is an omnidirectional speaker, so
Oh,
we have
good.
11 drivers in total,
That's good.
and 3 chambers inside the cabinet.
Oh, look at that. Viewers, if you can see this, you can see the multiple units on the rear.
And we have 3 ports as well.
You can see that.
And the speaker is driven with 4 channels of amplification using our unique DSP box. So the DSP box that you're straddling very well right now, we're being driven right now by 2 Bryston 4Bs. The DSP box is actually specifically tailored to get around problems that the omnidirectional speakers have had in the past, where you have the same drivers on the front and the back. We've used the DSP to specifically tailor the speaker so that you don't have any cancellations between the front and the back, and it's really a revolutionary sound.
So you're doing away with the lobing.
Exactly.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. What other products do you have at the show?
Well, we have quite a few of our models. The first one you'll see here is actually our largest subwoofer to date. This is the EP800 subwoofer.
Oh, that is a big subwoofer and
It
it's
is
front firing.
indeed.
Look at that.
And it comes in 2 configurations. This was our former flagship tower speaker. This is the M80 tower speaker. And then going on down the line, we have the M60 tower speaker and the M50 tower speaker. These are our 2 standard finishes, black oak and Boston cherry, but as you can see, we actually have over 100 possible finishes. That's possible because we manufacture all our speakers here in Canada, actually, so we do sort of small batch one-off manufacturing, sort of like Dell. If you can have it any way you like. You can even actually send in a paint sample and we'll match it, or a stain sample, and we'll match your speakers to exactly what you want in
That's
your house.
very user and decor friendly.
Exactly,
Good.
so you can have the sound you want, she can have the look she wants.
There you go, perfect.
Behind here we have our quad polar surround speakers. Now these are what we're really known for in the industry. They actually fire in 4 directions. So we have woofers on the top and the bottom and tweeters side by side. So
look at
here,
that.
this stand actually has a hole here so that the woofer can fire out the bottom. And it creates really a very diffuse surround sound experience. This is the QS8, which is the larger model, and the QS4, which is the smaller model. This is one of our custom real wood finishes, rosewood, and this is one of our vinyl finishes, which is Vermont maple. Below is our second latest center channel, the VP180. This is in high gloss black.
Yeah, look at that.
And we made this center channel specifically to match the M80 speaker, which I showed you a minute ago.
That matches the tower here and the subwoofer.
Yes,
Yeah.
all would go together.
Yeah, all
very
go
well.
together.
Yeah.
So the 5.1 system would be, if you're aggressive, 2 subs.
2 subs definitely.
Yes.
5.2 is highly recommended.
Yes.
It does get away from a lot of problems rooms can have. So 5.2, you'd have 2 of those,
Okay.
2 of the M80s, 2 QS8 surround speakers, and 1 VP180 center channel. We also do a line of bookshelf speakers. This is our smallest one, the M2. This is one of our custom finishes. Then the next biggest is the M3, and in the middle we have our M22, which is sort of an unusual bookshelf speaker, but if you have really high bookshelves, we think it would work. Really great sound where you can't have a tower speaker. It works out really well. Our newest center channel is the VP160. As you can see, the design is quite different from anything we've done before. This was actually a product that came about from demand on our message boards. We have a very active community on our message boards, and they suggested this product, and we were able to engineer it. It's been a really great seller. It was released in January.
Oh, brand new to the market.
This is our EP500 subwoofer. It's probably our most popular subwoofer, so the shape's quite different than the anti-standing wave cabinet. This is it's sort of a more traditional corded enclosure, and it uses DSP technology. And this is our...
These are powered.
Powered, absolutely,
yes.
yes. And this is another one of our center channels, the VP150. You can see it's a very narrow.
Yeah, narrow, smart-looking design.
And I'll just show you one more thing, which is kind of innovative.
Okay, let's follow
We
you
also
over.
have all of our bookshelf models are available in-wall or on-wall configurations, and we also have an in-wall, on-wall hybrid, depending on what your room setup is. But the most innovative thing here is that instead of having to have spade lugs sticking out or banana plugs or anything, this actually makes the connection to your receiver for you.
Oh, I see.
This is how the connection is made, and you just snap it on, and that's all you have to do. It just sits out exactly as far as it should from the wall.
Very innovative.
And that's a look at our products.
That's a great product lineup.
Thank you.
Great, you did a great overview. Great. And how long has the company's been around for? 31 years?
31 years, and we're online at www.axiomaudio.com.
Excellent. Thanks for your time with SSI in
Thank you so
2012.
much.
Okay,
Thank you. Have a
good.
good show.